Hello everyone, I've been meaning to make a video on how to make the fuel pumps that I make, and here's one of them. It's got a chest inside that you can fill up with power cells, and it's got a little gem flint knock on the side to act as your handle, of course. But anyway, I've been meaning to make the video, and here's how to do it. So you'll want to, from Fortnite Forever Festival, you'll want the Groovy Roof Ridge 1. So you'll need some bananas, you'll need some planks, bananas, a couple of gem flint knocks, some blast powder, some wood, which you need for your chest. I'm using the amber chest, and all right, so let's get started. I went ahead and put 3 pieces down already, and then of that roof, and then now we're going to just filter these. There we go. Sometimes I use these. You can really use anything for your pillars. You want to hang them off just by one on the edge there. And actually I got the bright side on the other one, so let's do that. Let's do this with the dark side in. And you want to put one on each side. So you got 3 like that. And you'll do the same on the opposite side. And then you'll be able to fit your chest in here, but we don't want to do that just yet. Alright, and next we'll need the roof pieces. Have to come down here to the 4x4x1, and before we can actually use those on the sides, we're going to go ahead and do the top, which you can't really see very well here, but let's fix that. Those don't snap together. So basically we do the same thing on the top that we did on the bottom. So we'll do that there. There's one there, and one there. Now for the face, we have to use, you use a activation switch. I usually go with the pressure plate just because it has that black part on it that I like to focus on whenever placing it. And let's just go ahead and line that up. Oh, the controls are so weird sometimes. Alright, get it down as far as we can go. And then I'll get rid of the other one. I want to switch over to my hand because I don't want to hit it with the pickaxe, just in case I miss. Alright, so now we gotta do 4 of those on each side. Okay, I was a little late, a little slow to show that one. So I'm gonna do 4, and then I'll bring it down 1 in the middle, and then raise it back up. And we're gonna do our other 4 on this side. There we go. And you'll see it's just like the other one now. Then we have some black floor pieces, which I've got these from the haunted house. You can also, I think there might also be some was it? Actually, it might be in the Fortnite Forever. Let's see. So yeah, there are the black ones in the Fortnite Forever. So yeah, we'll use those. And so you'll see that they're just a 8x2s. But there's a catch. So yeah, we'll just do the first two on the top. And since these are roof pieces, the yellow ones are roof pieces, we have to nudge it into place. We can't lock onto it. Just gotta be really careful. And then if you look there, you'll see that I got an upright piece, like a regular floor piece, at the base of that picture there. So that's what we're going to do here. We're going to do the same thing. So we're going to look at the wall here that we put down and move it out just like that. Now we have a little gap. There we go. Got a little gap, and it sticks out just a smidge, which is what we want. That way we can stick our graphic on there, which I get that from the Dry Valley Home and Auto, and it's under clutter, wall decorations, and then I gotta get some vines. Let's get some of those vines real quick. And then we want 3 more for the other side. Alright, and we got enough vines. So this is when I put the graphic on. Alright, and we got the same thing on the other side. So at this point, that's when I would like to do the exact same thing over here. Oh, I can't. It's got the yellow on there. So we'll do that now. Now I'm going to rotate this just a little bit so that on my yellow piece, now my snap to anchor is going to be on the top and bottom. So now I can just snap to the top. Makes it a little faster. And again, we want to punch. We don't want to use a pickaxe or anything. Even though we did change the orientation of the yellow, we still can't snap to those, or we can snap to the floor piece we just put down. Now we can snap to the one we did on the other side and bring it out. So it's just sticking out just a little bit again. And we can do another graphic. Sometimes I swap it up a little bit and do the other one. This one here. That way it's like it's on one of those LCD screens on the pumps nowadays. And then I believe it's at this point we can start putting our chest in there, which I do just one chest. There's actually a little bit of room in here if I could get in there. There's a little bit of room in there. We could probably fit 2 chests in there if we 2 smaller chests, but I just do one of these gem chests and it works. So we're going to do the amber, and then you want to make sure that the feet are right on the floor. So if you look at on the other side, the feet will be right on the edge of the floor as well. And I got the lock facing that side on this one, and facing the other way on this one, which is fine. Not worried about it. And then I think I have to switch over to the 2x6 on the floor piece. I'll just snap to that one, pull it over. There we go. And yeah, so then you'll see on here I've put another 2x6, but I overlapped it on top of the other one. 2x8, 2x6. There we go. And just like that. And that one is not liking it for some reason. Let's try this side. There we go. Alright, so now we've got the chest is accessible. I notice if you get too close to it, sometimes you can't open them. If I get right there, I don't know if it's lag or what's going on, but sometimes it just doesn't want to work. If I get away from it, it seems to work. And then I can get right up close to it and still access it, but now I can't. It's just weird. And to top it off, just as an extra little bonus, what you could do, so I'm going to go ahead and aim it at the banana. At the banana roof piece. Oh, I can't do it like that. I gotta put a little bit of a spacer there. So let's go back to one of these pieces here. We're gonna put it on the back side of the banana. That way it's got a little bit of a space there. Aim it at that, kind of nudge it, make sure it's up against the wall. So what we're doing here is we're trying to get it as centered as possible. It's not going to be perfectly centered. We'll do it that way because it's sideways. So if I were to put, say, an ear of corn, it's on there sideways. And the cool thing is when you put this on there, it looks kind of like a fuel pump. More like a fuel pump that way. And I need to do that with these, which I haven't done, but I do plan on doing that sometime. And I don't remember how high up I did that last one. Oh, it's up a ways. Alright, so let's get up that high. About there, I think. As high up as that shelf. Okay, it's one step up higher than that black piece hanging off the front. So take this one, move it one. Gotta make sure we're looking at the black piece. Get it rotated. Nudge it. There we go. Get rid of that. And now I got a fuel pump handle. No hose, but at least I got that. And then, of course, you can put your power cells in there, which I've got a few in here in my fuel and feast. It's like a half Waffle House and half fuel station. I gotta finish building out this part of it. Go. Now I can just come by here, get my fuel cells, power cells whenever I need them, and then come back here to get all my biomass and make my power cells. And oh, just a quick little tip for anyone that doesn't know: if you want to get a lot of silk fabric or wool fabric, but you don't want the threads and everything, but you still want to make thread, if you put one of these up on a wall, using the same tricks that I showed earlier, just put one of these on the wall. I like to put a piece of floor down first and then stick it on the wall. The villagers can't use it and they won't use it, and you'll still, if you sign someone to create textiles, they'll still get you just the fabric that you want, not the threads. Just a little tip, if you're ever experiencing that, you don't like having to put your spinning wheel outside of the village, or don't like having them make a bunch of thread as well as the fabric, you want just the fabric. So if I go to one of these people, I don't even remember who it is. Not this one. Oh, let's find out who it was. One of them is going to have just fabric for me. And that is compost, 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 metal, compost, compost. Okay. The professor. There she is. Alright, so she should have just silk fabric and wool fabric. There we go. Got them both. 10 and 20. So that's a little trick that I can do. Alright, well, that's the end of this video. There's going to be more that I'm going to add on, obviously. I'm going to put the canopy up top and have it all lit up, kind of like I have here. This actually looks really good at night. Alright, well, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful evening.